Working at height remains one of the biggest causes of accidents and major injuries. However, ladders can be quite helpful if used properly. Every time you use a ladder, you are required to work responsibly and take sensible precautions. First, choose the right ladder for the job. There are simple ladders, extension or step ladders. Choose the best style for the purpose and select the proper height to ensure that it is best suited to your needs. Also, select the proper material. In the case of potential contact with electricity, rule out any type of metallic ladders and choose wooden, fiberglass, or plastic ladders instead. Once you have chosen the ladder, a pre-use assessment must be carried out. Check that the certification is up to date and that there are no visible defects. Don't use the ladder if it doesn't comply with the standards. Don't put yourself at risk by using a defective ladder. Place the ladder on a firm horizontal ground. Do not use ladders on slippery surfaces. Do not try to use any type of leveling devices. You should never make a short ladder taller by putting something under the legs. If you require more height for the job, consider a different type of equipment that is high enough. Ensure locking devices are engaged before use. Don't overload the ladder by hanging objects from it. Protect the work area using suitable barriers or cones so as to prevent getting hit by someone or getting struck by falling objects. Maintain 3 points of contact, no matter what type of ladder you're using. As you place the ladder onto a surface, calculate the leaning angle accurately. For proper stability, use the 1 in 4 rule, 1 unit out of every 4 units up. That is to say, the working length of the ladder is 4 times the horizontal distance between the feet and top support. Keep your body centered on the ladder. Do not overreach or stretch your body outwards, which can shift your center of gravity and cause you to lose your balance and have an accident. Do not use the last step of the ladder. Pay attention to the warnings.